Thank you for checking out this 3D character pack. Let me show you what's included in this purchase. You will receive a fully rigged character with a cool facial rig and a lot of small details like adjusting fingers and everything. So the rig is awesome. You will also receive 23 custom poses and a loop animation. And the renders are super duper quick. I rendered these on my laptop and it was 20 seconds in Cycles and 14 seconds in Eevee, but you can definitely optimize for 5-second renders, so that's awesome. And this is the wireframe. Super duper clean stuff. If you want to embed this in a website or make animations or for website renders, it's very clean stuff. It should work fine and it's awesome, awesome, awesome. So if you like what you saw, check out the link in the description to buy the product and leave your recommendations what we should make next. Peace.